this video we are going to see how to install Django in our project. So first we have created our virtual environment and we are going to install the Django and other in our virtual environment. So first of all we need to activate our environment, so which will be in scripts folder, in environment folder. So just type activate. So you can see here name as we have seen in last video. So for downloading the Django, you first you need to navigate through your base folder. So our base folder is online shop. So to install the Django you should use the pip install Django. So as you can see, the Django is going to install in it. It will take some time. So as you can see here, successfully installed. So how we can see the Django is installed or not actually? So Django gives us a component which is Django admin. We can see here the Django admin. So as you can see, the if we type Django admin, it will give us some output. So it means the Django is installed. So the first and main part is completed. So now what we need to do, so we can go here and we will create our project here, yes, Django project. So for doing that we need to, you need to focus on the main part, which is the command. So Django gives us admin module, with using admin module we can create our project. So you can see a Django admin, create project, start project I think. So we can check here start project, as you can see here, start project shop. So yes, we can check in our, yes, you can see a shop is created, but we can see the shop folder is double here. For avoiding this, we can use a command. We will delete it first. So how we can do it? We can do it using same command, but use a space and a full stop. So yes, you can see here. So there is only one folder which is name is shop, and you can see the manage file here. So you will see the work of this manage file in next video. Thank you.